Continuing to track the heat wave in California right now. New tonight, residents in a Sacramento senior mobile home community say they didn't have running water for more than 24 hours in this excessive heat, making it difficult to stay hydrated and perform basic tasks. Thankfully, it was restored this afternoon, but ABC 10's Jay Kim spoke to them about their concerns and frustrations.
That is totally unacceptable in a heat wave. This is the worst heat coming.
Amid an extreme heat wave, residents living in West Sacramento's Valhalla mobile home community say they were left without running water for over 24 hours due to a break in the pipes.
The pipes that run through our park are from some 40 years ago.
Our concern, though, is the health and well-being of everybody, right? Not only water for drinking, but cleaning, dishes, cooking, bathing. We got folks dipping out of the swimming pool trying to get water for flushing the toilets.
The senior living community is comprised of residents 55 and older.
We have people that cannot leave their homes. They're bedridden. They can't walk.
This isn't the first time they've been left without the basic necessity. In fact, they say they were initially told it wouldn't come back on until Tuesday and were not happy with management's response, saying there was a lack of communication.
I've been here 22 years and I've seen them repeat this kind of action. We've been shut down at least twice this year.
I'm just angry and frustrated. I got no notice. Just a robocall last night saying, your water's been off.
Corey Pleat came to check on his mom, who's bedridden.
We just had to spend $70 on water just to bring water out for her.
Leanne Linares, who grew up in the area and is running for city council, also decided to step in, buying packs of water from Costco and going door to door, passing them out to residents.
We got 1,000 water bottles, which is about enough for 4 per house, which isn't a lot, but it is a measure to hold them over a little bit while we're waiting for a repair.
Thankfully, that repair came around 1 this afternoon. ABC 10 reached out to HCA management, who did not comment, but confirmed that water was restored to residents, who are now breathing a sigh of relief.